Dr. Dexter Brian Aaron, the Iligan Alps focal person, Dr. Avimar Gonzaga, sir. To the PSDSS of Iligan City, we have Dr. Ernesto Perez, Dr. Mary Ann Cornelia, Dr. Lino Bongo, and of course, the education program specialist in Iligan City, Mama Nalini Soles, nawala na siya. To our stakeholders in attendance, from DSWD, from CSWD, Youth Alliance, and MTIM, and also Horizon School, good morning. Most importantly, sa mga ginikanan di ari karong buntaga, hama to mga ginikanan, asawa, bana, anak, sa ato mga learners, kaway-kaway naman dyan, asa man bigigan na, good morning everyone. Of course, sa ato ang mga remarkable completers. It is both an honor and a privilege to stand before you to celebrate the culmination of your journey in the alternative learning system. Indeed, it is a momentous event, not just for you as individuals, but for your families, your communities, and for the future that you are helping to shape. Today, we celebrate not just your academic achievement, but today is a testament to your resilience and determination. We know that each of you has faced unique challenges, whether it was balancing work and study, overcoming personal and financial hardships, or simply finding courage to return to education. Actually, each of us have a struggle and challenges every day. Dili lang kamo mga learners, kami na naadri sa taas, naapod din mga challenges na everyday ginaato pa. The word resilience, or kanang itong phrase nga, laban lang, laban Japan, it is indeed makarelate tanan. Makarelate dili. Dili makarelate nga kada naatay mga kalisod nga mga gian mingon nga gitag sigilan ko laban lang. Mura siya joke pero deep inside, oh yun, we need to live one day at a time. Your presence today is a powerful statement of your commitment to your dreams. Let me share to you, last year was also pinaka-hard na challenge na akong naagian sa ako ang kinabuhi. Isa ko katao na murag suking sa laboratory, na medical laboratory. But the hardest for me sa pagkakaroon was last year, receiving the laboratory result that I have a follicular thyroid cancer, stage 4. And I never thought na moabot ako karon dili. 1 year. Stage 4. Pero sa akong una-una, sige lang, City Central gani, isa rin stage ako, at kabot akong stage. Diba? Anyway, last year I thought I will not survive it. Pag-ingon nga, kinahanglan tagtangon akong thyroid. So, total thyroidectomy. Ditangtang, gilastas ko diri. Ingon akong anak, ma, anaon na ka? Anaon magyod, kaya diri man ang tanong. And nanghabiling na ko. Nanghabiling na ko kaya wala niya nakabalo what happened sa operating table. What if di na ko kamata? Bata para ba kong bata? Nah, ako mga anak, gagmay pa. What if mag-cardiac arrest? So nanghabiling na ko. Even sa akong trabaho, nanghabiling ko sa akong kauban. Nga, uy, ang kuan ha, ang kaning mga status ko na, akong password sa LIS, ako lang ibilin. Kaya basta di na ko kabalik. After the operation, I thought mauna to, but dili. Kaya pag biopsy, naabang igyapon si Kankan, si cancer. Pamagin ko niya luan. So I had underwent radiation, high dose radiation, twice. Nagaduwayon nga ma'am, nga naman nga, make up lagi hapon ka ma'am, nga nakay-cancer. Uy, that doesn't mean na kung nakay-cancer, di na po magpagwapa. Ilisan palagta, di ba? What I am saying is that kada isa sa atua na ay mga giatubang na mga problema. Lain-lain na kategory, lain-lain na level. That is why we are also celebrating resilience. Karon, pagiging matatag. Kahit anong hamon sa buhay, isagid. Dapat tayo maging matatag. Dapat talikod. Dili kayo kumuha o busy o magbitay dayon. Or moambak sa tulay. Kung ubo-ubo ra, mapia. Okay? Now, resilience is more than just bouncing back from setbacks. It is the capacity to adapt, to grow, and to find new paths when old ones are blocked. Kung di ta kapadayon ani nga dalan kay one way di ta kasulod, kay naay ali, find another way. Daghan kaayong dalan, mag-ways lang ta. Pagitaan tagpaagi ni ways. Sama ra na sa ato ang kinabuhi. Alright? It is the strength to keep going when the journey seems very impossible. The courage to stand up every time we fall. Kung madagma, bangon lang. Pamapha, lakaw na pod padayon. In your journey through alternative learning system, you have embodied this resilience. You have navigated through obstacles, adapted to new ways of learning, and persisted despite the odds. Sa formal system, ang giatubang sa mga learners dito ang ilaang assignment, performance task, ilaang wax na kinahanglan ihatag kang teacher, ang rag na ihatag kang teacher, pero sa ALS, daghan. Pangmata unsa kay akong lutuon na sudan. Mutrabaho pa ko, naapay ko'y assignment. Akong anak naapay, payroon sa eskwelahan, naapay wax, naapay rag. Kanang wax na sa una, lagi ng wax ay floor wax. Padangkong yun. Mao na atong giatubang, mao na dili, muriak yun ko sa Lanao del Norte na nang ngayon bitaw na. Usa na nga, graduation diha, matubang day nga, ay ALS raman na. Ano mamay mong ALS raman na? Dili ko'y, ALS ni. You should be proud that you have completed the ALS program. Di biya lalim. Nagtrabaho ka, eskwela ka, napakay anak, napay bana, napay asawa, daghan ka giatiman. But then, sometimes, tinod o dili, usahay, mabot yun ang time nga, mundag na lang ko'y, kapoy naman kayo, ma'am. Kapoy na kay sir. Mawalan kita o reason na mo padayon. Okay? As you stand at the threshold of a new chapter, remember this, the world needs your resilience now more than ever. Kanigid ang kinahanglan sa ato ang kalibutan karon, ang pagiging matatag. We are living in times of rapid change and uncertainty. Challenges such as climate change, global health crisis, and social inequalities require innovative and resilient minds. Social inequalities, gender inequalities, daghan na biya kayo ka sa una atong nahibawan. Male, female, boy, girl. Karon daghan no LGBTQIA++, tulo ka plus pa yun. Now, your being resilient is needed. Your experiences have uniquely prepared you to be leaders and the change makers in this new world. Kamu karon tanan na adiri apil ang munyang hapon ng paso are the new leaders and change makers in this new world. I hope you do change the world positively. Do not change the world in the negative way. Take pride in what you have accomplished, but also look forward to what lies ahead. Use the lessons of resilience you have learned to forge new paths, to inspire others, and to continue learning and growing. Education does not end here. Abi kay nakatoga na ta, mamanana, dili. It is a lifelong journey. Let your curiosity and your determination drive you to explore new opportunities and create a better future for yourselves and those around you. Today's celebration is also a testament to the support and encouragement of your families, friends, and educators. Palihog ko pakpakan ato ang pamilya, atong mga teacher, DepEd officials, friends na naadili karon. Their belief in your potential and their unwavering support have been vital to your success. Let us take a moment to acknowledge their contributions and express our heartfelt gratitude. Now to you completers, as you move forward, carry with you the knowledge that you are capable of great things. Dili po pa sa punha. Elementary naman ko na kung nahuman. You are not capable to do great things. No, you are capable to do great things. You have shown that you can rise above challenges, that you can adapt and thrive, and that you have the resilience to achieve your goals. The world is waiting for your talents, your ideas, and your leadership. Congratulations on your achievement. May your future be filled with continued success, growth, and the boundless possibilities that your resilience makes possible. Thank you, and once again, congratulations to the completers of the Alternative Learning System.